Here I want to show you why you want to buy our 2-inch quarter wall heavy duty JK or JL tie rod. So stand in front of this Jeep, and it's a simple 3.5-inch lift on 37s, and it does have our HD tie rod. So in first glance, everything looks clean, nice, straight. Ken happens to wheel this thing on the trail at least 3 or 4 times a year. Then when we come back in at second glance, we'll take a look from underneath, and you can see he's hit quite a few things with this. He's come straight down on boulders multiple times, enough to do that to the cross member, which is impressive, that to the skid plate, which is impressive, and then that to his factory control arms, which are still perfectly fine, not broken. Other control arm, pretty damaged, but you go back to the tie rod and back around, perfectly straight, alignment's still good, no problems. So if you're thinking about buying a tie rod from someone else, get ours.